You don't believe what I had to go through to assemble this GMMK2 mechanical keyboard. It was tedious. Let's assemble this together. These GMMK Aura keycaps are pretty chunky, but the finish and feel of them are really nice, especially for you RGB lovers. As you can see here, the slot underneath the keycap has to match the slot on top of the switch that I'm about to put it on right now. You always have to make sure you line it up so the key can make proper connectivity with the switch itself. Some of the keycaps of this enter key, they take a little bit extra effort and energy to push down harder because sometimes it can't align with the switch properly, so you gotta do it sometimes. Gotta love some handy keycap pullers. In these situations where you gotta switch keys around, they really come in clutch. Finally making some progress on this build. Took me long enough. If I'm being honest, the keyboard is looking pretty good. On to the next batch of keycaps. Let's finish this. Was going to do the control key first, but decided to do the space bar instead because it kind of combines and melds the other keys together really well. So let's take care of that now. And there you have it, the fully configured GMMK2 mechanical keyboard and your boy's first ever mechanical keyboard. Was it tedious at some times, but I did have a lot of fun building this keyboard from scratch like a little mini project, and I like the fact they included all the tools you needed, including the extra keycaps for spares as well as the keycap pullers. So they made sure you had everything in the box included with the Barebone kit. So it was a real blast building this. It is RGB backlit because it's the Aura keycaps, so I can't wait to see this at night time. It's gonna look glorious, pun intended. Until next time folks, see ya.